If you're jobless, learning multiple skills from scratch feels overwhelming. This video is not about getting rich. It's about using ChatGPT as leverage. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they try to do everything alone. ChatGPT changes that. It doesn't replace hard work, it replaces wasted effort. Today I'll show you how ChatGPT replaces 3 basic skills: writing, simple design ideas, and research. This is for beginners, no experience needed. First, writing. With ChatGPT, instead of staring at a blank screen, you type a simple instruction. ChatGPT instantly creates structured text. You don't blindly copy, you edit and learn. Second, design ideas. ChatGPT can generate layout ideas, captions, and visual concepts. It doesn't replace professional designers, but it helps beginners start. Third, research. ChatGPT summarizes complex topics into simple language. This saves time and mental energy. Let me be very clear. ChatGPT will not make you rich. Anyone promising that is lying. ChatGPT is leverage, not a shortcut. This is not for people chasing easy money. This is not for people unwilling to learn. This is for people starting from zero who need momentum. If you're a beginner, use ChatGPT like this. 1 task per day, 1 improvement at a time. Learn while using it. Over time, fear turns into understanding. Being jobless doesn't mean you're useless. It means you lack leverage. ChatGPT doesn't replace humans. It replaces excuses.